Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description box. Please get those phone numbers. That's to the switchboard at the White House. There you can talk to any member of the House, any congressman, any senator, and Donald Trump's office. You won't talk to Donald Trump, but you will talk to one of his aides. Let them know what we need going forward. We need at least a $2,000 stimulus check. Reoccurring check would be great, but at least a $2,000 one time. I've always said that we would be getting a $2,000 check. I feel good about that. And even now, I feel even better that it might be even more. We'll just have to wait and see. With about half the states reporting a big resurgence in COVID cases, now they're getting worried again about overtaxing the hospitals. But the White House is still saying that we will not close the economy down again. By them saying that, to me, in my mind, it sounds like they're admitting that they was wrong the first time. And if they was wrong the first time, then all of this was their fault. It was their fault that every company closed down. It was their fault that we've lost a lot of businesses that will never come back. It was their fault that people lost their homes. It was their fault that people are in foreclosure right now. It is their fault people don't know where their next meal is coming from. It is their fault for the people that couldn't handle it anymore and committed suicide. Their lives is on their hands right now because it's their fault. Y'all, it's just my opinion. But the Senate knows that most of them are out of office come November because we're fed up with the Senate. Most of them knows that their job is on the line and they probably have already lost their jobs. So that's why they're dragging their feet. They just simply don't care no more. So right now they're just milking their job for everything they can, getting all of these breaks in and enjoying that milk and honey as long as they can before they're out of a job, like most of the rest of the world. Y'all, yesterday the feds bailed out the big companies again, and now they're bailing out the investors again, aka the rich people. The people that don't need the stimulus. They bailed them out with $750 billion worth of stimulus. But you and I, we have to wait for our little $1,200 or $2,000 check. Just shows who they're really wanting to help. Don't seem fair, but we should be used to it by now. So what do we know for sure? Donald Trump wants at least a $2 trillion stimulus package. He's open to more stimulus checks. He's already said that. He said that he will sign it, just get it to him. And again, the Senate is just sitting on it. Peter Navarro, he said that he wants at least a $2 trillion package. So we got both of them in the White House saying what they want. And it's exactly what the people wants. But the Senate is still sitting on their butts. We know it's a lot of other people in the White House that's jumping on board and they're wanting the same things. But we can't get it on account of the Senate. The House has already passed a stimulus package with a stimulus check in it. The House has done their job. Now it's up to the Senate to do their job and get it to the president so the president can sign off on it. We know Nancy Pelosi is demanding stimulus checks. She's not just asking for it, she's demanding it. We know Mitch McConnell is in hot water with just about everybody, even his own people. He's in a fight for his life to save his job right now, but I think that ship has done sailed. I think he's gone. Y'all check Charles Booker out. He's the one that's going to unseat him. It's going to happen, whether it's Charles Booker or somebody else. Mooch McConnell is gone. My wrap up on this. I really feel like we will be getting another stimulus check in the wake of all the new COVID cases. Unemployment boost is going away. Even more people are hurting. Millions of businesses won't come back, and they know it. And they know it's their fault. Therefore, the chances of us getting a stimulus package is really good. We just have to wait and see when. So y'all blow up those phone numbers. Make your voices be heard. It's the only way we're going to get what we want. Let them know that you are an American, you vote, and you're pissed off. It's time to quit being nice with them. Let's just see what happens. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. And y'all, I do read every comment I get. I can't answer every one of them. It's just too many of them. But I do read them all, and I cherish every one of them. And I enjoy reading them. I just wished it was on a happier subject. Y'all come back tomorrow. I'm going to have another stimulus update for you. And I have these every day. So please come back. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And just know I love you all. And we will get out of this. And we will be better for it. It's just a matter of when will we get out of it. I can tell you that right now. When Mooch McConnell quits playing games. When they come back on the 20th, on the 21st, they're supposed to get busy with it. Let's just see if they do get busy with it. I feel like some things are already done and they really just need to put it together now. We'll just have to wait and see. Are y'all getting tired of hearing that? Wait and see? I know I am. Y'all, I love you all. Please come back tomorrow and stay safe. Ciao.